it's Lizzie all from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you for joining me again today. Today I've got my relaunch of my craft boxes. Yay! I know there have been a few of you who have been desperate for these to come back. I'm sorry I took a break purely and simply because I was doing product launch and we had the back end of Christmas and everything was going out of stock and stuff happened. Anyhow, we're back. And I've got the amazing Floral Romance. And I've chosen this because it's not Valentine's. It won't be out in time for Valentine's because Valentine's in the UK is not a great big thing. But I think romance and floral is just lovely. So, and I don't think this is just for romance. I think it's for, yes, it's definitely feminine rather than masculine, but there are some masculine touches that you can bring in as well. And I've got lots and lots of projects to share with you. I actually featured this at a team day recently, so I've got lots and lots of samples to show you. So let's get started. There is one change that I have had to make, and this is purely because the maths just wasn't stacking up. It's still going to be £20 of product, but I am adding £1.50 for postage and packing. That is still under what the postage and packing costs me, but it's a nice round figure. So it's slightly over £20 of product, and I'm rounding it to £21.50 by adding £1.50 postage and packing. So you're still getting a reasonable amount for your money. So let's have a look at what you're getting. This is the suite. It's on pages 10 and 11 of your spring-summer catalogue. Sometimes they flip over and they don't. So the actual product kit will include half a pack, and I mean half a pack, of the designer series paper, and this is gorgeous. This is a brand new shiny packet because I have run out. I have used so much of it. It's going to stick the sticky sheet in. So you get 4 designs, and there's 3 of each of the designs. There are 2 that are double-sided paper and 2 that are vellum. So this is one of the double-sided papers, really pretty. Then we've got one of the vellums, which is just stunning. I hope you can see that. So you get 3 of those. Then this one, which is like a lace pattern, and this is in petal pink. And then the other patterned paper, which is this mossy meadow with a wood grain on the back, which is why I say I think it will work quite nicely for more male orientated themes projects as well. So you will get half a packet of that. So I just cut it at 6 inches, and that's what you get. So half a pack of that. Then you get in kind of, let's do it in fully reverse order, otherwise I'll get lost from here on in. You will get 1 yard of the Fresh Fig sheer ribbon, and it does go perfectly. So 1 yard of that, and I do mean yard. You will get 2 yards of the ribbon that goes with it in the catalogue, so from the suite, which is petal pink and white, and it's variegated into the middle. This is gorgeous, and let's say 2 yards of that. It is quite sheer, so do bear in mind that it is see-through. So just bear that in mind when you're crafting. You will get 6 Whisper White envelopes. You will get 2 sheets of what I call the smooth Whisper White. Yours will be full, but I store them in these plastic wallets. You'll get 2 sheets of smooth Whisper White, which is perfect for stamping. You will get 2 sheets of the vellum cardstock, and again yours will be full sheets, but you'll get 2 sheets of this because some of the dies are beautiful done in this plain vellum. So lots of vellum. It's going to be a really soft palette. You will get 1/3 of a pack. There are 12 in a packet. You will get 4 of these seals. This is just a part packet, obviously. So you'll get a third, 4 of the seals. You will get half of the frosted flower embellishments, which will be 6 of each colour, because there are 36 in the packet, so you get half of that. You get 2 sheets each of Fresh Fig, Sahara Sand, Petal Pink, Pear Pizzazz and Mossy Meadow. And as I say, the half pack of Designer Series paper. So it's quite a nice pack. Gets you lots of cardstock that will work perfectly, gets you lots of envelopes, gets you the vellum, gets you the Designer Series paper. It's gorgeous. The cost, if you could buy the amounts that I am including, would be £20 and 6p. The cost to you, including postage by Royal Mail, none of this Hermes. I had an appalling delivery that wasn't for us, that was from, now, was it Hermes or was it one of the others? It wasn't UPS and it wasn't DHL. It was one of the others, and I can't remember. I think it may have been Hermes. But basically, it wasn't for us. It was for some people who lived here 4 years ago. And he wouldn't take it away. I didn't want it. I refused to take delivery. And he basically just threw it around. So I don't use them. I use the Royal Mail. And that way I know that there is more chance that it's going to arrive safely. So I hope that is of interest. The dates are, you can pay me either by PayPal, bank transfer or cheque, but payment has to be with me by the 24th of February. So if it's a cheque, it has to be with me by the Wednesday of that week, which is, the 24th is a Sunday, so that's going to be the 19th, if memory serves. Let me just check that on my diary. The Wednesday, no, the 20th, so it needs to be with me by the 20th. So that I can bank it before the weekend. I will order on the 25th of February, so I should get the delivery early March, so you should get it in kind of early mid-March. The way to order is to send me an email. My email address is below in the bio, and it's also on my website. Send me an email, include your postal address, even if you have ordered from me before, just so that I know that I've got the correct address. I will then send you an invoice with how to pay, with all the bank details and stuff, and then you can just get that sorted out. As I say, payment to me by the 24th, I order on the 25th, and then get everything cut up and packaged up as soon as it arrives and out to you. And there may be a little extra in the box. Just saying. Anyway, thank you very much indeed for watching, and I look forward to receiving your emails. If you've got any questions or comments, please do just drop the comments below, or drop me an email, or drop a comment over on my website. I will have all the information for this kit in a blog post over on my website, and I will then have it as a separate post under craft boxes. There's a tab on my website specifically for craft boxes, so there'll be information there as well. Thank you very much indeed, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye!